Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. We are starting a new batch for SEBI Grade A 2024. The new batch is starting from 6th of May. This is a 40 days class schedule for phase 1. Following this class schedule, along with us, with your self-preparation and classes, with the test, with the content that we are providing in the course, you will be able to prepare for SEBI Grade A exam in 40 days. And then if the exam is in mid of June or towards end of June, you will feel prepared and you will have time to revise the content to appear for the exam confidently. The advance intimation for SEBI came in March. तो इतना तो पता है कि सेबी का एग्जाम होगा. अब चाहे वो जून मिड में हो या जून एंड तक हो, एग्जाम तो होना ही है. 2 साल के बाद एग्जाम हो रहा है एंड मेनी ऑफ यू वर वेटिंग फॉर दिस एग्जाम ईगरली. There are 62 vacancies for general stream. This is the education qualification for the general stream. You can check this out. In the description, you will find the SEBI Grade A General live class schedule. I'll also discuss this in detail, how the classes are scheduled, how you can make the best use of this batch to prepare for upcoming exam. Also, I want to tell you that in 2022, many of our students from various streams got selected in SEBI. And continuing with the guidance, in 2023, many of our students got selected in the legal stream for SEBI recruitment. This is the class schedule. This is attached in the description. Here you can see daily you will have QRE classes from Monday to Friday. And on a daily basis, you will have 1 or 2 classes for paper 2. As paper 2 syllabus is common in phase 1 and phase 2, by preparing with us in these 40 days, you will be able to prepare the paper 2 portion both for phase 1 and phase 2. And since it's easy to clear phase 1 with only 80 marks, you will be able to use the time wisely after phase 1 for your phase 2 revision and preparation. If you see here, I have also added classes for IFSCA. So this is kind of a combined batch. As phase 1 is almost common, there are only few extra topics in IFSCA and few in SEBI. So based on that, this plan has been created so that you have a clarity as to which classes are relevant for both IFSCA and SEBI and which is relevant only for SEBI. ESD, economic and social issues are there, which is only in IFSCA, and Companies Act is in only SEBI. Rest of the topics are almost common for both SEBI and IFSCA. These QRA classes are from 9:30 to 12:30 in the morning, and these SEBI and IFSCA classes are at 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. If you don't have time, you can also watch the recordings later on. I will suggest you go through the schedule, check out the schedule in detail, understand what classes are being discussed, and accordingly prepare your topics on a daily basis. For more details, to review the plan in detail, you can download this from the description. To know more about the course, or if you are having any doubts and you want us to resolve them for you, you can reach out to us on this number 9968837347. Wish you all the best for your preparation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll in our exam-based course and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.